we are developing a workforce to meet the future demands so that we keep feeding our industry what they need. Virginia Ship Repair Association, we represent the ship repair and building industry across Hampton Roads and across the state of Virginia. Looking at where the workforce was and what the age of the workforce was, we needed to get people into our industry. The partnership between Tidewater Community College Workforce Solutions has been huge. The design of the pre-hire courses is practical application for what you're doing in your workplace. Because everybody doesn't need to go to college. We need them to have a trade or a technical certification that we can take and put to work. The maximum length of any course is 3 weeks.
What's a hazardous substance?
They're also given their bare basics of safety, OSHA. They come out with a very basic credential that allows them to move up the rungs of the ladder in regards to their qualifications and their capabilities. The company doesn't have to stop, go back to bare basics. They're already trained to that when they walk through the company gates.